Now we're going to take a look at the workshop in the West Building. And this place has just developed into a monster-sized mess over the past, well, how long have I been here? Well, more than 2 years at least. And I really want to get this cleaned up. I love stuff to be all organized and in its place, but I just tend to pile stuff on wherever it comes in. So we're going to take a look at the before scene here. There's an amplifier chassis, there's part of a TV amplifier, there's old paper capacitors on the floor and old electrolytics on the floor and bits of tie wraps and all this junk. And here's the shelf. It's got Admiral chassis in there and coils and tubes and part of a Sears TV chassis there. And here's just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Got a cassette player and a PA amp. I'd also like to get the computer in here and hook it up to the router so I can access the World Wide Web right here at the workshop. So here's the before view, and soon we'll see this transformed, at least a little bit. Now here's the rearranged workshop area. Got the floor all vacuumed up here with the Electrolux. Emptied out the trash can. Got the computer here. I've actually got Ubuntu on this now, and I'm going to ditch Ubuntu and get the latest version of Slackware on it. I've actually got the CPU down here, and I know this doesn't look all that great, but it's pulled out enough to get good ventilation behind it. It's got so much stuff in this little area, it's kind of a challenge to get everything arranged the way you want it. But on this table are all the things awaiting repairs or that need some more work on them. Here's the Lyceum TV, still working good as ever. It's hooked up to the DTV converter in the other room. Here's the Lakewood fan. Here's some Duquesne speakers that I just got. I don't have them hooked up yet, and I'll hook them up to the amp in the other room. And there's the Lakewood fan I got all re-lubricated, and it's working good. The power must have went out here on the weekend, and so I reset the Heathkit digital clock. Here's a Zenith tube type black and white TV, and there's nothing to be received on analog TV anymore. I have to hook it up to the DTV converter to get anything. Down here I've got all the new capacitors and things in here. And there's a bulk tape eraser, the isolation transformer, and the drill. I've got all the cleaning and polishing supplies up here. Got this as a test amplifier. I got a cable running down with an RCA plug on it, and also got the test tuner to provide a test signal. Here's the signal, or the speaker, coming from the PA amplifier. Put this back to automatic. And this has a built-in tuner in it. This is just used for tests of things like cassette recorders. Eventually I'd like to get a stereo amp, and well, I actually have 2 speakers set up here for testing stereo amplifiers. These came out of an RCA console. I'm burning Slackware, I think it's 12.1, onto a DVD in the other, I'm actually downloading it in the other room right now. I'm going to burn it onto a DVD and install it on this PC here.